We're supposed to find the derivative of the given function by using the definition of the derivative. So, this is the definition, okay? And we're going to use this definition in order to solve this problem. First, let me remind you that anytime you are going to see y is equal f of x, and we can say this is equal 5x plus 2. And anytime you are going to see f of x plus delta x, so it means that I'm supposed to understand this like 5, and instead of x, I'm supposed to write x plus delta x. So x plus delta x plus 2. Okay? So now we're supposed to use the definition. Okay, so I'm going to write the formula always first. So I have dy over dx is equal limit with delta x approaching 0, and I have f x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Okay? We have to write always formula first. Next, we're going to copy down limit with delta x approaching 0, and I have f of x plus delta x, we said, is equal 5x plus delta x plus 2 minus f of x, and we said that f of x is equal 5x plus 2. So I have 5x plus 2, I'm going to put in the parentheses, over, in the denominator I have delta x. Next, I'm supposed to organize the numerator. So I have limit delta x approaches 0, and I have 5x plus 5 delta x plus 2 minus 5x minus 2 over delta x. So I have limit with delta x approaches 0, okay, so it's limit as delta x approaches 0, and let's take a look at the numerator. We have 5x and negative 5x. They're going to subtract each other. I have positive 2 and negative 2. They're going to subtract each other, and I'm going to end up with 5 delta x over delta x. Delta x and delta x will cancel out, is equal limit as delta x approaches 0 of 5 is equal 5, because the limit of a constant is equal constant. That's why limit as x approaches 0 of 5 is equal 5.